welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a DIY that I did. It's something that I am so proud of. I've been exploring a bunch of different creative avenues. It really helps a lot when you are working on a business of your own. You have to be able to be creative. You have to be able to go with the flow. You have to be able to reuse or re-envision different things. When you're running a business, you do have to have that sort of entrepreneurial mindset that everything can be better. Anything can be changed, you can grow, especially when you're running a business that's your hobby. In a video that I previously made, I'm gonna share that up on the screen for you to go view it if you haven't already. I take packaging materials and I reuse it for my own packaging. And that's just one of the examples of taking something and using it so that you don't need to go and purchase more. When you're running a really small business, you kind of do have to take everything that you have and run with it. So DIY is something that I love doing. I love going to thrift stores and finding weird objects and transforming them. And I'm going to show you more videos like this too, but one of the examples is this table. It is a beautiful table now, and nobody would ever know what it looked like before. So come through this quick journey. It's really fast. I sped it up really fast for you. Come through this journey, see what this once was and how I transformed it, and I hope you enjoy it.
How to make that old rusty table that's been in your family's basement forever to look like this. You know the one. It's super heavy, a little bit rusty, maybe smells a little bit. It took forever to find a base. When I saw this planter, I knew it was going to be perfect. Now you're going to need to make the base super heavy. If you're new to power tools, find somebody who knows how to work with them. Now you're going to want to make a box to make sure that it's super sturdy. We finally got in the rhythm after so many times messing up, and I wanted to pocket hole absolutely everything. For this project, you're just going to need a couple of 2x4s. We bought some new ones, and I already had some lying around, and that's what we made to build this super sturdy base. Now, this part alone was really heavy. You're going to want to make sure that it's completely level, so we stand it off a bit. Pre-drill everything, and make sure to find the center of everything. And here we have the foundation of a perfect base. Now measure the center of the top, pre-drill all holes. Now it's a large table, so we use some threaded inserts for it to be easily taken apart and put back together. Voila! There you have it. Now all we gotta do is paint. I decided I wanted a black base with a marble top. I'll show you how to do that next. First, I sanded down the top. It's heavy but not real wood, so sanding it smelled like burning plastic. And here's my dog. He insisted on being a part of the DIY process. I chose to spray paint for everything. Here I'm spraying a layer of black primer on the table and base. I lightly sanded the primer down on the tabletop and sprayed 2 coats of black paint on both the top and the bottom. To make the top look like marble, I used marbling spray paint. It sprays out kind of like silly string. It was pretty fun, hard not to go overboard on it. How cool does this look? Next, for the resin, I had no idea what I was doing. I just followed the instructions to mix it together, and then I poured it over the top. It was incredibly messy and dripped all over. I blow dried some air bubbles out. It took 72 hours to fully cure. And here we have the finished table. It was definitely a labor of love, but it turned out better than I ever dreamed of. I'm so happy with it, and I'm gonna love it for so long. Isn't it so beautiful? Reminding you of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Yay!
All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was really fast, but let me know in the comments if you want to see it slow down, if you want me to bring you through the process as I'm going through it. If you've ever built anything, transformed anything, worked with power tools, you'll know that it takes a long time. So comment down in the comments if you want to see this slow down a little bit, or for my next DIY video that I show you, I bring you through the process. I'd be happy to do that if that's something that you're interested in. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you think that this table is just as pretty as I do. I'm obsessed with it, and I hope that this sparks some creativity in yourself, gives you some ideas of some things that you can do to transform what you already have, or maybe to go into a thrift store, find something for super cheap and transform it. If you like this video, please give it a like. It would mean so much to me and this channel that I'm starting to create, and I'm really starting out, so every like helps. And then if you like this video or any of these other videos that I've created so far, and you want to support this channel and watch more videos, I create videos every week, so hit the subscribe button below as well, and you can subscribe to see even more content that I put out each and every week. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to you seeing the next video next week. Bye!